What's up guys? This is Bastian. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a realistic saxophone sound. Here I've already made a realistic sounding saxophone section using the contact library, Sensual Saxophone, by Embertone. It's not a free library. However, it costs only $20. So almost everyone can easily afford it. Now let's open up the library. When we open the library, we can see 6 buttons and 1 knob. The first button is legato, which when activated makes the instrument monophonic. This means you cannot play chords using this mode. This mode can only be used for playing melodies. The second button is stack, which is probably short for staccato. This button triggers short, punchy notes. The third button is poly, which is short for polyphonic. This lets you play normal chords, as you can hear. The RR button will enable a special borrowed round robin, which can be effective for passages with repeated notes or intervals. This might be a little confusing, but you can easily notice the difference when you hear this saxophone section, with the RR turned on and off. As you probably noticed, there's more movement and variation in the timbre of the sound when the RR mode is turned on. The sensual button will make your sound more jazzy and bright, whereas the straight button sounds more plain and dull. Now, let's check out the most important feature of this saxophone library. It's the sex knob. As the name suggests, moving this knob higher makes your saxophone sample sound more sexy and bright. As you move the knob higher, more reverb and distortion gets added. This knob can be compared to the Sound Goodizer plugin in FL Studio. But please be cautious when using this knob, as too much sex can ruin your sound. I'd always recommend staying below 75%. Now here's a short drop I made using this saxophone melody. As you can hear, it sounds pretty nice. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys have any doubts or tutorial requests, leave it in the comments below and I'll get back at you as soon as possible. Ciao.